Right click the desktop, go to new, folder, shortcut, then type in the location of the shortcut. In this case, I'm going to type www.gmail.com. Then next, I set the name for it, Gmail, in capitals, finish. Notice that it's an E for Microsoft Edge. You can change the default. So I changed the default to Chrome. That's how you do that one. Then next I do, uh, I'm showing you how this works out with the shortcut. Then next I'll show you a Facebook shortcut. Name Facebook. Finish that. And then another random one after this. So that's how that one works with Facebook. And this other random one is Google, which is not even necessary. You don't need to enter Google because if you have Google Chrome, it's going to automatically open into Chrome if you have it set to default. Then open up Google. That's pretty much it. You can see how that works.